Hello, everybody. Good morning here. This is Grace coming to you from workanywherenow.com. Welcome to my channel here on YouTube. I am going to show you wealthy affiliate success stories of 2018 today because I'm recording this in January of 2019, so it only makes sense to give you a preview of what has happened at Wealthy Affiliate in 2018 and to make sure that it's still working, everything is still good, the training is awesome. And first of all, I'm going to show you right here. Okay, what is even Wealthy Affiliate about? First of all, before I show you the success stories, this right here, workanywherenow.com, it is a product of Wealthy Affiliates training. First of all, okay. So at Wealthy Affiliate, this is what you're going to learn. You're going to learn how to create a website like mine and how you're going to monetize it with affiliate marketing and how you're going to make money writing about your own topic that you're really passionate about, okay? You're going to be learning how to use affiliate programs and how to put it in your content and how to make this website attract its own traffic, okay? That is the real key to Wealthy Affiliates training, and what you're going to be learning is how are you going to get people on your website without you going out there to get it. So my website does that. It generates well over 35,000 visitors a month without me paying for any advertising or anything like that. So that's the power of Wealthy Affiliates training and how you can really make a 4-digit income like I do with this program. Now, what I promote is Wealthy Affiliate, but that is not something you have to do. Of course, you can, with Wealthy Affiliates training, you can promote any topic you wish, okay? It's not about promoting Wealthy Affiliate themselves. It's just about picking a topic that you like, that you're passionate about, because the training inside Wealthy Affiliate, it is the essence of what you're trying to build is the same whether you promote Wealthy Affiliate or you promote something else that you really love, okay? Whether it's been cooking, sports, dogs, pets of any kind, it doesn't matter. But the strategy and how you go about to do it is going to be the same. So I just happen to like Wealthy Affiliate a lot. You're going to see on my channel here, I talk about Wealthy Affiliate because they've been a great part of my life and they really have changed my life in the sense that I can generate an income for my family now as a stay-at-home mom and be able to be flexible with my kids, and this is just worth so much, okay? So let's get on with the success stories that you came here for. So I'm going to start, kind of go through the year of when these posts are posted or last updated. So this is how powerful these websites you can build are, okay? Websites are like your internet home where people can find you, and if you build it right with the training here, how you're going to learn to build it is you're going to learn how to use certain words in there that will make people come to you, and so you don't have to go out to get your leads. They're going to come to your website and look at your stuff. So look at this guy. These guys, this is a team, I believe. They are able to just write one post back in 2015, and it's been making the money all this time. And so up to 17,000, over 17,000 just on one post, guys. So can you imagine if you had a website that had several of these posts, or a whole website of them? So let's see, this other guy, another 5-digit earner, this is Brock. And so early last year, he announced that in January, he had hit 10K. In fact, it was up to 13,000. So I just want to mention these big numbers that you're seeing is not overnight success, okay? These guys have been building their websites for at least a couple of years. For this one, he's been here since 2013. So that's 5 years, but I don't think his site is that old. It probably 4 or 5 years. Let's see. We would need to go into his site to take a look at the history of when it was. His site is actually right here. So You could just go and check it out. And here's the third one, Sporky Pie. I love her story, okay? This is someone that, if you read her history, if you go down her post on her profile on the right here, you'll see her progress of how this one site was earning and then finally sold for $28,000, guys. This is serious money that you're earning from Wealthy Affiliates training. Okay, and she was not even working on this site full time, guys. Okay, so this is like a niche that is low competition, and so she didn't need to put a lot of time into it. But the time that she put into it, the articles that she wrote on it was making her 4 digits already. Like she went from 500 to 780 to, I believe in December she was already making 4 digits, and then a couple months later she already sold it. So I think it was by the time she sold it, the site is only, oh, it says right here 13 months. So I mean, that is pretty awesome, right? So that's another success story right there. And here's Jeremy. Jeremy is another one that sold websites. Now websites are worth depending on how much it's generating the income. So I guess Sporky Pie's website was generating more income. So when she sold it, it was 28,000 for one site. Now this guy, Jeremy, he sold 2 sites for 9,000, so 4,500 each. I mean, that's not too bad. And how cool is this? You know, it's like you just work on this. You build it for a maybe 6 months to a year, get it going, get some money generating, and then you could already go on Flippa or any of these sites that sell that you can sell your website on and get evaluated and see how much you can get for them. This guy here is saying he made 5,000 something in June thanks to Wealthy Affiliate. Is it worth it? Of course it's worth it. And he's looking at June of last year, making 8,000 from all his affiliate commissions. And so you can see here, these guys, all these success stories, by the way, you can just log on and look these guys up and read them yourself on their profile. These are all free for you to access if you have able to get a free account on Wealthy Affiliate. I will have a link right underneath this video so you can sign up and read these success stories in detail. Now, of course, everybody starts earning with small beginnings. So like this lady here, Merlinda, she is earning 500 in July of last year. And once your site gets earning, guys, it just keeps going, you know, especially if you keep working on it. The more you work on it, the more results you're going to get. So she's, in July, she was already at 500. I'm sure by the end of December, she probably hit 4 digits. I'm not sure. She has no updates. But, you know, that's the other thing. You know, people need to actually do the update for you to see success stories. And there's a lot of money makers who don't tell people that they're making money. So you kind of lose a lot of that with and not see the successes. But there are many successes, but people just don't talk about it. So here's a guy, this guy, I believe this guy even works full time, I think. And he's earning in December 1,700 over 1,700 for his December. And he's getting money deposited and trying to go for 5 figures this year. So that's another one from Craig. Serena. Serena has a great website. She does photography, so she has an Amazon site. So just to give you an idea how her income has risen throughout 2018, you'll see here it starts off slow, and it just builds up, you see. The more content you add, the more money you're going to earn. So in October, it jumped 3 times of September, and you just never know how your site will snowball like that, or your income will raise exponentially like that. It just have to keep working until you get these big numbers. And this is a very famous image that we have most members have seen on Wealthy Affiliate, because it is very important that you keep going and do not turn around like this guy. Okay, you basically gotta keep working, working, working until you start making money. You do not stop until you start making money. And sometimes it can be months. Sometimes it can. I don't know. Maybe because you're not learning the right stuff. Maybe you need other people to check it. Whatever the thing is, you do not give up, and you find out, and you keep going on the path of success. Look at this guy, okay? Ralph, he's he's an awesome guy that I've kind of got to know, and he made a crazy amount of money in 2018. He totally surpassed me. He 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 look at his numbers: 14,000, 17,000. I believe his December was 25,000. Okay, look at this craziness. He's in the health niche, guys. Here, 24,000 just in the month of December. Look at the potential of building websites, guys. Holy smokes. Okay, now me! I get to talk about me. I know you want me to talk about me, right? No, I'm just kidding. Oh, well, of course, I want you to see my success. And of course, my success is obviously not overnight either. Look at this, okay? I started in September of 2016. What did I make in 2017? Not much, okay? It is my build-up year. It is my learning year, actually, from September to literally around August of 2017 is when I figured out what I needed to do for my site to really generate money. And from that point on, I went crazy and just worked like crazy. And look at my income in 2018. That's what crazy work, massive action happens. That's what happens. The result is right there in front of you guys, okay? And this is, look at the year. I started off in January of only 500 bucks, okay? And so because of my work in mid 2017 and throughout, I really need to turn off this. Sorry, guys. Okay, so because I started going crazy work, massive work. Okay, it's not that I didn't work for the first year. Okay, I did work, but very slowly. Like any beginner, I was slowly working. But after a year, I'm like, what the hell? Why I'm earning, but I need more. So I found out why, and I went and gone crazy doing that massive action on that one thing that would make my site go high. And you have to have faith, guys. You have to have faith. When you're working with no pay, you have to have faith. And guess what? It happened. Okay? My 2018 just snowballed like crazy. And look at my November, almost $8,000 because of Black Friday. And so I'm averaging around 4,500. I'm hoping to really increase that in 2019 and see what happens, okay? But look at this. I have almost 370,000 visitors on my website in 2018, and I spent how much in advertising? Zero, guys, zero, okay? I don't pay for any of these people coming onto my website, okay? Look at last year. This is just a comparison. Here's my income proof. These are, you could read all this. This is my ads on my site. This is my affiliate program. Like I said in the beginning, I promote Wealthy Affiliate. I love Wealthy Affiliate. They've changed my life so much. I love them. I will always promote them no matter what else I promote. I will always promote this program. They have been where I started, and the owners are fantastic, which I get to meet in less than a week. So that's it. I just wanted to show you all the different success stories here. Please, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me anything. I am what you could say, everybody's coach, I could say now, because I do help everybody, not just people who sign up under me. So, but for a thank you, if you could please sign up under me. I have the link right underneath this video. If you want to be coached by a super affiliate, which is what I am on the Wealthy Affiliate platform, and I'm also an ambassador. I've been an ambassador for I think almost a year. If you are very active and helpful on the Wealthy Affiliate platform, you get ranked high on the member ranking system here. And so let's see, how long have I been an ambassador? 346 days now, guys. So this kind of proves how helpful I am. The top 25 members are ambassadors here. I mean, everybody is doing that. It just depends on how much time you have, guys. A lot of people just work on their websites and that's it. Okay, my website is about helping people make money online, so it only makes sense for me to have this service for you. It is an extra service. Not every affiliate of Wealthy Affiliate or any affiliation for that matter has coaching. Okay, so this is definitely an extra service that I provide to all my referrals, and they are the first people I help when I get on the platform. I also have a private Facebook group that I offer extra help, and I'm gonna have live streaming in there to show you different things. So that link is also going to be underneath this video. So if you want to join my team and join my Facebook group, do it underneath the video. Please subscribe to this video and please like it if you found value in this. And I hope to see you in the next one. Please don't forget to smash that notification bell or else you won't know when my next one is, okay? I'll see you next time. Bye.